Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in. Do you want to get logged in Gateway Bank? Then just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser and search for the keywords Gateway Bank Login. After you hit the search button, the algorithm will give you many search results. Click on this Login Gateway Bank, find it and click on it, and then you will be redirected to the login page of Gateway Bank. Here it is. You have to fill the username and password over here. First fill the username. Let me put it as temp user. If you have forgotten it, click on this forgot button, else continue. And then you have to fill the password. Make sure your password is correct. If you have forgotten a password, then click on this forget. Else simply click on this sign in button. You can sign in with a passkey also. And if all the credentials are correct, you will be logged in Gateway Bank. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.